making $400 off of Lowe's and unfortunately taking a small loss on Tiffany this morning. Only trading the best possible setups. Check out today's recap. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, consider subscribing where I do recaps every single day I trade. Now, let's go ahead and cover the trades for this morning. I only traded 2 names, 3 trades. The first trade I took this morning was on Tiffany. Tiffany, Lowe's, and Ralph Lauren all had an amazing daily chart. And the first one I took, if you guys will notice, Tiffany this morning gapped up pretty big. Let's see here what it gapped up. It's up 16% already. So it's a straight up move. So I was thinking originally this morning after these 2 little bounces right here at 116, it was going to come back, and I wanted to go ahead and get long over 118. So down, 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 bounce, and I wanted to get in long right here at 118. So I got a bad fill at 118.35. It had a relatively large spread, and I just didn't see it. So I went ahead and got in 100 shares long. Stop was actually going to be down here at the 117. As you can tell, I actually got kicked out basically very next candle. So with these right off the open, it's either going to work or it's not very quickly. So I got in, bad fill, got kicked out, and so I was supposed to be risking $100. As you can see, I lost 145, lost with a little bit of slippage on both ends, so getting in and getting out. Now, the next trade I took was on Lowe's. So basically, I had Tiffany, RL, and Lowe's down here, and I was watching them like a hawk. They all had really, really clean daily charts, and so I wanted to take advantage of that. Now, right after that, I saw Lowe's strongly move up, and then as you guys can see here, there's a flag. So right at a touch 93, I went ahead and got in long right here at 92.39. So the high of this candle is 92.28, and my stop was going to be here at 91.84. Next candle, I got triggered in with my stop down here at 91.83. So next couple of candles kind of started going sideways, made a lower high, and as long as it didn't touch down here, I was fine. And actually, I don't think it even broke down below 92, so I was fine the whole time. It's just kind of consolidating sideways and gathering up strength during that time. Now, it broke up and over. I think I should have added. Actually, no, I did try to add. I take that back. I tried to add here over 92.50, but I put it at 92, I think it was like 92.60 or 92.55 or something like that. It hop, skipped, and jumped over 92.50, 51 through 59 basically, and I just did not get filled. As you can see, this candle came up here all the way up to 92.94, so I went ahead and canceled the order. Now it came right back, and it started consolidating again. So I had not moved my stop up yet. I needed it over 33 or 93 to be able to put it at break even. So I still could have lost the full $200. As you guys can see, I took 400 shares. So here in the next couple of candles, it went up and over 93. I ended up hitting my target. I needed somewhere above 93.40 to be able to get my partial. And I took my 300 shares at 93.46. And I wanted to see if I could write up the last 100 shares. So it ended up kind of going back and forth on 93.40. It broke 93.50, but it immediately got rejected. So as soon as it did that, I went ahead and got out the rest of the 100 shares. Let's see here. It hit right below 94. So let's actually go over to the 5-minute chart. So as it started consolidating, as you guys can see, there is basically a wedge forming right below 94. So it goes up, down, and it actually ended up breaking through. This is actually the second trade I took on Lowe's, and I expected it to go off on high volume, but it actually ended up not being high volume. So that kind of worried me at the very beginning. As it went up and over 94.40, my stop was down here at 90. Actually, I put my stop right here, arbitrary stop 93.49. So I was giving it about 50 cents. I got filled at 94.08, so about 60 cents. But anything over 94.45, I was gonna go ahead and put in my stop at break even. So I put my stop as it hit this 94.44. I go ahead and put my stop here at 93.99. So if it came down below 94, it was going to go ahead and kick me out. Now, during this time, the SPY made a pretty sharp move to the downside. So right here around 10:30 and right here around 10:30. So I trade looking at the SPY and the Qs every single day. So one thing that you guys will hear me say all the time is when it rains, everybody gets wet. Everybody gets wet. So if the SPY starts tanking, most likely the longs that you're going to be in are going to suffer. So now the SPY has tanked. It's below the 9, below VWAP, and Lowe's still has not broken up and over the 94.50 mark. So I decided to go ahead and get out at 94.20. I booked like $13. Not a big deal here. It's actually still consolidating near the highs, so it could. It's just, to me, the SPY breaking down below VWAP is not a good sign. So I decided to go ahead and get out. It really, to me, it's in my best interest to be playing with the SPY. So if the SPY was still trending up, then I would have stayed in the trade. Even if it does break out right now, it's, to me, still with the SPY going sideways or going down, it's really not a good backwind to give me confidence to be able to stay in the trade. So I went ahead and got out, booked the profits. Oh, there it goes, 94.50. Yep, still breaking out. But I wanted to get at least 2-to-1, so I would need it somewhere around the 95 mark, which it might later, but I just don't really quite trust it at this moment. So I ended up booking $437 on Lowe's. I took a loss on Tiffany, and those are my trades for the morning. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you have not joined us yet on their Facebook group, make sure to do that. The link will be down in the description below, where I post my watch list for you guys every single day. Lastly, if you guys are curious on how I learn how to trade, I provided you guys with the discount code in the description. It comes with one-on-one mentoring, classes, and buying power, so make sure to take advantage of that. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.